here's my cassava that I blended earlier. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to pour the semolina into this cassava. And here is my semolina, guys. This is the semolina I got from the UK. This is how it look like. Since my cassava is in, I'm just going to mix it with the semolina. You can see now I'm just mixing it like you normally mix stuff. Make sure you wash your hand. And I'm going to add some sea salt that I got from Ghana as well. If you have some, you can use the normal salt as well, just to give it that Volta Region taste. So let's mix it. So guys, I'm ready to cook the banku. This is how the banku look like. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to put it on the fire, straight cooking. Woohoo! So excited to cook this food. You know guys, when you meet home, you know, you can cook food in abroad without any problem. You just have to go to the African shops, get all the ingredients, watch a bit of a YouTube video like this one, then you can get a little bit closer to home. You can elevate your taste, you know. Yeah, so guys, in few minutes my banku should be ready. I'll be adding a bit of water, you know, just to make sure it's cooking properly. Then once it's cooked, guys, I just dive in and just eat it. So in a few minutes this food should be ready. See you when the food is cooked. I'm going to let it simmer for a few minutes. Then we're going to stir paddle again, and hopefully the food is ready to munch lunchtime. I mean lunchtime. Lunchtime. So this is the part 3 of my stir paddle after it simmer for a few minutes, like less than 3 minutes. Yeah, because I'm cooking on high heat and I have to start work soon. So guys, I'm kind of in a rush. In the village, I use the metal hook to protect it so that I can stir paddle with my 2 arms, but in abroad you have to use these hooks. It's very, very difficult. I'm just going to add a tiny bit of water. Let it cook for a minute or 2. Then I'll stir paddle, then slow cook for 5 minutes. Then that's it. Then I'll serve my delicious looking banku. Yep. Right, just like our banku is almost ready. Thank you. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.